I think I need a little bit more light. Let me turn this on really. Forget it. Anyway, so I have my flash on. You see? So I just got this in. Actually, I got this in a couple days ago. I'm supposed to get my catalytic converter in today, but I mean, it's nice. I think it looks good. I mean, you can see they may have done like some repairs or something right here, right? But it looks like all the threads, well, maybe not. I think that's supposed to be threaded with something. This one, yeah, same thing. So I may have to attach some bolts to that or something. But, yeah, everything else here seems to look good as far as I can tell. I mean, this is a rough cast, I'll tell you that. No joke. But, yeah. I don't want to completely take it out of here because it's still somewhat protected in here. But yeah, man, I was thinking about painting this with some high-temp exhaust paint. And I might still do that, but I'm not really too worried about it, man. You know? It's cast iron. I mean, I could definitely paint it, but with my luck, I'll be like, oh, something else caught on fire, so I'll just leave it as is, right? I mean, I'll put some oil on it or something and do the. Anyway, so yeah, it's in here. So you guys can kind of see on the inside, but like I said, it's mighty darn clean down in there. Yeah. And as long as that's threaded in, I'm fine with that. Man, that is sharp. Like, whew, definitely. That's kind of like what I want to keep in the plastic. I mean, it's a pretty meaty cast right there. So, hopefully, if my catalytic converter comes in today, I will be installing that. So, cool.